Hi, I'm Isaac. I'm a repair technician at West Music. I'm going to be showing you how to use an oboe swab today. So there's two swabs. You have one for the upper joint. This is smaller in diameter, so it fits through. And this is for the lower joint, and the bell. So you take it and you just put it through there and you just pull it through. Now, it should be noted that if it's not going through, take it to a repair technician so they can get it out, because that means something's probably wrong. It's important to do this so that your instrument doesn't swell with all the extra moisture in there, so that it stays clean, so you have to clean it less. You just pull it through like that. This one will be tighter because it's a smaller diameter and it's going through the tiny hole there for the oboe reed. That is how you use an oboe swab. Thanks for watching.